So here we have the arrow path, and just use the pan tool to create this path. Okay, just make sure you don't have fill. Click on here and select none. Okay, next step is you're gonna have to go to create nulls, and then you click, and now it's gonna work just fine. Now select here your arrow path, and then go here to add and select trim paths. All right. And now what you're gonna have to do, press option, select and then here you can drag and select your trace path. Now what you're gonna have to do is just to click on here, and you can use the arrows up and down like so. Perfect. But I do want fill here, so now what's left here is pretty much just to, and now what you're gonna have to do here is just here where you see parent, hold shift and drag parent like this, because now when you actually see this path, that's what's gonna happen. So that's what we want, right? And we actually missed something here. We have this path and we have this progress, so make sure you also drag this like so. Now this is what we have. Looks good, simple, and thanks for watching.